What to do the night before your exam. Opinions are divided on whether to study the day just before the exam. Some think that you should study the most the day before the exam, while others look at it in a completely opposite way and believe that they should relax and find something else to do. In this video, we're going to explain 3 do's and don'ts for the day before your exam. Number 1. Study or explain the material to one of your friends. This will make you forget about your anxiety and stimulate your brain to actively study the material. What you should not do, though, is to compare your level of preparation to those of your friends. This is the same as asking about the grades your classmates scored on a test while you got a bad grade. If they didn't score well too, you feel partly relieved, but if they did score good, this will increase your own anxiety. So similarly, in the case of preparation level, you may not receive from your friend the answer you were expecting, and this will increase your stress, so simply don't. Number 2. Take an empty paper and fill it out with all of the concepts that you judge to be important. A smart thing to do is to think about types of questions that might be asked on the exam and fill the paper based on that. If you did not make any mind maps or summaries before, do it in a quick way, without wasting your time on neatness on your summary. But just make sure you're doing it in a non-passive way. To learn how to make an effective summary, make sure to check out our other videos. Number 3. Find your balance. You should neither spend your time on social media procrastinating, nor study for 10 hours in a row, because none of these ways leads to a productive outcome. A study made on medical students preparing the USMLE exam showed that when you study a lot the day before your exam, you will crowd your short-term memory with last-minute information, and this might even interfere negatively with your long-term memory, which is basically everything you studied before. So plan ahead to revise only the most essential and important concepts, and make sure to get a good night's sleep. And most importantly, believe in yourself and don't stress, because you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.